Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set quick action to open Facebook in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Click on Shortcuts and Accessibility. Here you can see the option of Quick Action. Press on this. If you want to set a quick action to open your Facebook, you just have to select your Open Facebook. That's it. So this is how to set quick action to open Facebook in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.